Assalamu alaikum everyone, good time to all of you. This is Hassan. Right now we are here for our dormitory, some vegetable we have to buy, that's why we came. It's located six, this located. You can see this lots of vegetable in here, this market. So it's tomato.
Not available time.
No
Why you
problem.
make videos, man?
So because it's you can see this cucumber, carrot, tomato, green chili. I can already, no brother.
I know vlogger.
So I already gave. We are right now, so we are gonna this another side. We have to buy and this onion. As you can see, this onion totally different, and you can think onion, potato, and this beside it is a vegetable available. Totally amazing. It's located. Previous time I didn't visit this site, so I can share with you. It's totally different shop. It's lots of things. You can see it's a potato size, many kind of size. There are lots of potato item in this shops. You can see not only and chili, red chili, this onion. As you can see, this also potato. Look like. But who are buying this shop to our Rafi? Little. He is not little, look like little, but he is a senior. Where I am going to another side because I have to need on video. So my dear audience, you can see this lots of vegetable cucumber and seeds. I have no idea about this vegetable. You can this vegetable sector and this is vegetable. So lemon, you can see it's totally different looks. And I saw this fish market. It's but before time it's totally I have no idea this fish. So I am right now here this Mirpur 6 at fish market. So you can lots of fish, but I don't know what is this fish name. But I forgot this name. This lighting system is totally different. You can see. So previous time also it's a big fish. It's also maybe this sea fish, and beside this font also our country this cultivate fish available. So my dear audience, the sheer purpose I have came are in this market totally different look, because one side in this middle side is a vegetable market and beside this fish market. So you can see this this shop onion and another things. Every single you have to need this cook purpose this food things. So I am going to this chicken. I have to buy chicken, so that's why I am going to this site. So right now already off because we have late already. We have late. So I have to buy this some things I can need. Here this fish market because I have to buy some fish for dormitory purpose. I don't know what kind of fish I can buy. First of all, I have to find all the fish. I have to see. Then I can decide it. I will take decision which fish good for. You can see this totally different. As fresh fish. Our Asad brother, hey brother, he's experience of people because he has an idea. Totally different fish. You can look. So you can see this. There are cultivate in this pot, but I have no idea this fish. Totally different. I just share my this opinion on this pot. You are watching this fish. It's not any pond. Not only this fish cultivate center. It's just market, but it's they are trying to this in fresh always. That's why they make this system just for fish. Long time they have this box. Totally different. I saw and I am just totally astonished because I have no idea. You can see sea fish available. There are lots of sea fish, and you can see lighting system because it's totally crime. Because this red color light show for fresh fish. But vegetable market I visited, so I have visited vegetable market. This side totally different. But in this market I have come first time. I can see this totally different. You can see we are, but no problem. But I have one suggestion, brother. This my old spectator. You have no any experience. You won't buy this from this kind of shop because there are lots of very hard people. It's price 200, but they will want 2K because you have to know this bargain. You can bargain, so you will buy profitable things. You can see, oh, we are amazing. Our brother, they are buying and they are bargaining of with fish keepers, totally different. I am trying to this, and you can first of all fish. This chicken. We are going on this chicken shop. I mean, it's called poultry chicken, totally different. You can see my this hen house. Totally, it's called. I have no idea this name. Maybe cultivate this color, white color. So you can see.